Jungle Fact 1. Tigers can see 6 times better than humans at night. That's why they're the silent kings of darkness. In the Amazon rainforest, a tiny frog called the poison dart frog has venom strong enough to kill 10 grown humans, and it fits on your fingertip. Elephants may look calm, but they have the strongest memory in the entire jungle. They can remember paths, faces, even voices for decades. The harpy eagle is so powerful that it can lift animals heavier than itself, including sloths and monkeys. True king of the jungle skies. Jaguars have the strongest bite force among all big cats. They can bite through a turtle shell like it's a biscuit. Snakes in the wild can sense heat from other animals. They literally see your body temperature, even in complete darkness. In the jungle, ants work like an army. A single colony can have millions of members, all following one queen.